Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sprite talk with some cool animation so yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and click the create button as usual. Project, and then I'll show you how to make this code. So this piece of code, and then we're going to take a sound. What was that? Okay, I'm gonna use my backpack. Use my sound. Come on, sound. Okay, I'm gonna go search for there's some things in my backpack. Go ahead and search. Oh yeah, there it is. And there's my dot sprite, which talks. And there we go. I'll show you how to make this piece of code. So how to do this is you will need to go to my blocks. Then you're going to create a block with say input message label costume input 1. And then you're going to have that. Now you're going to use your wearable, make a wearable called talk hash. And then you're going to do talk 0. And then you're going to set them like this. Set my wearables. We're going to set talk to 0 and set talk hash to 0 and talk to just blank. Now we're going to repeat. So drag out this repeat block and put that there. And then length of message. So length, I'm going to do length. First, you have to go to the operators and then drag out this length of apple thing and then drag out the message thing out of there and then put that in the repeat thing, like this little bubble. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the talk hash by 1. Now we're going to do is we're going to set the talk 0 to join letter of message. Letter 1 of message. Letter of message. So letter talk hash of message. Check out another of those message things and put that there and then put that there. Well, there's something odd. Let me see. Don't join talk 0. Talk 0, put that there, and then put letter talk there. And then put that there. Now it's gonna say talk 0. Say that. Uh-oh. Now I think something is wrong. I have done something wrong. Okay. Oh no, let me put the sounds. I'll be back when I create when I do a sprite thing. So yeah. I'll create a sprite. Okay, let me go ahead and do that all over again, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, as you can see, there is, I did it all over again, and now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna say the talk 0. First, I need to get that sound, talk. There we go. And now we're gonna say that talk message, talk 0. Put that there, and then it's going to start to sound the talk. Now it's going to wait 2 seconds. And it's going to say blank. It's not going to say anything but yeah. There you go. If you have your code already, there it is. Here's how your code will look like when you're done. Please pause the video if you haven't done this code yet. Well, this is what I'm going to teach you today. So if you haven't done this code yet, I'll give you some time. So please remember to pause the video and do the steps. You can watch the video again if you want, or you can see the code here. Do you pause the video? Okay. Now since you're done, I'm going to be showing you the next step that you can do is you can make this Abby say something. My sprite is Abby. I just chose Abby as a random sprite. So as you can see, if you click on this block, it's gonna do that. It's gonna say a sound. Does anybody wanna do that? See, it's saying 0. Because talk is 0, so zoom on. Okay, now we're gonna make Abby say something. Say join username. Say hi. Join. Put 2 joins in there, which I don't know your username, so anyways, that's good. Say hi. Next script. It's gonna say hi. Hi, SB_star. It says my name and username. My name is username is SB_star. So it's saying hi, SB_star. You can add more. I will add more. But don't forget that my project is this, because I'll be making more of these tutorials today or something. Well, you can do more, like you can add more things or so. Abby or nice to meet you. And you can add all those stuff like that. Add you. I don't have any you. Okay. So yeah, that's how you can make that project. So I will be creating that project. And this project is done, so I'm going to name it Abby Meets You. And say talk message. And say click flag to the instructions. And then share your project. So that is how you can make your own talking project, which I have many projects. You can check them out if you follow me. I have 846 projects. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll be making more of these projects and animations if you want to check them out. So I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my awesome Learn Scratch videos. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye guys.